You're not. I'm sure. Everybody up. Or else.
Here's our notes. 2, 3, 4.
I joined the choir when I retired, and what attracted me to the choir was that it's non-auditioned. I hadn't sung since grade 4. So that was 50 years away from singing, and the choir was very welcoming.
Singing rejuvenates the spirit. It makes you feel better, and it makes the people who hear it feel better.
It's a very happy, relaxed atmosphere. People are here because they love to sing and they love music.
Our basic motto is, if you think you can sing, you can sing.